How to turn off desktop mode in YouTube on your phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off desktop mode on YouTube on your phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your browser where you have opened up your YouTube. After you see your YouTube in your desktop mode, what you'll need to do is you'll need to tap on this. Let me go back here. You'll need to tap on this icon that is right besides the URL. So right here, tap on this, and after you tap on it, tap on the three dots on the bottom right corner. After you tap on that, you'll see different. Now you'll need to tap on request mobile website. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, it will reload once again, and then you'll get the mobile website, not the desktop site, on your YouTube. How you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.